First impression 7 seconds. In just 7 seconds people form a feeling about you, and after 50 that first impression can decide whether others see you as warm or distant. This matters because neighbors, doctors, and even your adult children react to how comfortable they feel around you, so learning a few updated etiquette habits quickly makes daily life smoother. We will start with how you walk into a room. How you 3-step greeting. Within 3 short moves you can create a friendly greeting that makes people relax around you, even if you feel shy. This is important because many seniors feel others avoid them, and the real reason is often an unclear or cold greeting rather than age itself, so you will learn to use a steady smile, clear name, and brief personal comment. To apply this, look at the person's eyes for about 2. Body language distance 60 centimeters. Around 60 centimeters of distance is usually comfortable for casual talk, and getting this wrong can make you seem either cold or pushy. This matters because younger people today are very sensitive to personal space and eye contact, so if you stand too close, stare too long, or touch without checking, they may quietly step back and avoid deeper contact next time. To handle this well, voice volume and timing. A change of just 10% in your voice volume can decide whether others feel you are polite or overbearing in a quiet room. This is important because many seniors unconsciously raise their voice due to hearing changes, which can make younger people uncomfortable, so you need to learn to check the room and match your tone to the situation. A helpful method is to notice the loudest in conversation topics and respect. At least 5 common topics create tension fast, such as money, politics, weight, religion, and private family problems. This matters because making a single sharp comment about appearance or income can damage trust that took years to build, so you should choose neutral areas like hobbies, local news without heavy opinions, travel memories, or practical life tips. A simple habit is to etiquette quiz question. In less than 30 seconds I want to test you with a quick quiz to see how updated your social etiquette really is. Imagine a friend you have not seen for 20 years, and you say, "You look so old now, I almost did not recognize you, but at least you are still walking," and ask yourself whether this would feel kind or hurtful today. Think about why this matters and how the same idea could be. Etiquette quiz answer: that comment is almost 100% hurtful, because it focuses on age and walking ability instead of appreciation and respect. This is important because many seniors believe they are joking, while the other person hears criticism or pity, so you need to shift from pointing out decline to noticing effort, style, or positive traits. A better line would be, "It has been over 20 years, I almost." Phone and messaging etiquette: more than 80% of younger adults prefer text first and call later, and not knowing this can make your calls feel intrusive instead of caring. This matters because repeated unanswered calls or very long voice messages can quietly push people away, so you need a simple plan for when to text, when to call, and how long to talk. A practical rule is to send a short text like, "As now." Table manners and shared meals: in a group of 6 at a table, one person with poor manners can quietly make everyone else uncomfortable during the entire meal. This is important because family gatherings often mix ages from 5 to over 80, and what felt normal decades ago, like picking food with your personal chopsticks or commenting on how much someone eats, now feels rude. To handle meals well, wait until everyone is midpoint. Summary checklist: with just 7 simple habits you can cover most daily social etiquette needs at home, outside, and online. This matters because remembering a short checklist is easier than recalling every rule, so you can think in categories like greeting, distance, voice, topics, listening, phone use, and table manners whenever you meet someone. Before any meeting, quickly ask yourself whether your face FAQ and final checklist. In over 50 workshops with seniors, the same handful of questions about social etiquette keep coming up again and again. This is important because confusion about when to apologize, when to insist, and how to react to rude behavior can either protect your dignity or damage long-term relationships, so clear rules save both time and stress. A useful final checklist is to apologize quickly when